guys, my name is Callista and today we are going to be making a stress ball. So here is what you need. You need flour, balloons, a funnel, a pencil. In case it doesn't go in, we can poke it in. So here's what we need to do. So first we need to blow the balloons. And then next we let the air out. So the next step, we have to put the balloon in here. Okay, I might need to hold this. And then we put flour in.
On top of the bowl so you don't make a mess.
And I'm going to do it on top of the bowl so I don't make a mess. Okay, I would need this. Yeah. This might take a while. Wow,
Shake
it's not
it.
even going in. How do you even get any in? So we figure out the problem. We just have to put a little at a time. So we filled it up now. Now we need to tie it. So I'm gonna need my sister's help. Yay! Ready? And I am gonna put another balloon over top of it. So now we put the balloon